everybody, it's Brother Josias back with another video. Just a real quick video. I said it on one of my most recent video, one of the first videos I made in a while. But yeah, just this video is about how to use what I do and how I keep track of my vehicles. I use Excel, create my spreadsheet. If you want to know more about how I create it, I will make a video if you ask, but it's kind of like a tutorial video if I would do it, so it would be a longer video than what it is right now. But just real quick, this is how I keep track. If you're a mechanic or a non-mechanic that works on your car or you take it to the shop, make sure you keep track of the mileage and when you change the oil and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick what my chart looks like. I keep it posted on my refrigerator, as you can see. So I got 2013 Dodge Dart 2.0 liter, so I label it. 2012 Dodge Charger 3.6 liter. So it doesn't have to be like this if you want to use my idea. Good, but got my spark plugs on my Charger, change them that time. Oil change, I keep track of my oil changes. I just recently put my mileage on here. It's easier. I mean, it's better also to track the mileage because let's say you go to sell your car and you really don't have any type of records of what happened to it or what's been done. So if I sell my Charger or my Dart, I'm gonna give them this paper and be like, hey, it's gonna be different. I'm gonna actually like do like a kind of like an inventory paper. It's gonna be like one paper with a 13 Dodge Dart or whatever. But yeah, you want to make sure you maintain it and keep it somewhat like how I have mine. So lost my train of thought. I was gonna say something else, but I don't know. It might come back up. But yeah, make sure you track the mileage because you want to know exactly when you changed your part or you did your oil change on the mileage. So so I got the spark plugs, the dates, the month and the date. I was on my original one. I was putting the like the actual date, like the 6th, but I stopped doing that because it's easier just to go by the month. So I got my spark plugs, oil change, put my mileage when I do change it, and do fluid checks and all that. Or just when I do my basic like oil change and stuff like that, then I put my mileage. But I got my fluid checks, I got the month and year, my gum out. When I do, like I said in my previous video, I believe every 3 times that I do my gum out, so I put it in my fuel tank. The first 2 times I put it in my fuel tank, and then the 3rd time I put it through my air intake, through the intake valve, so it can clean out the the throttle body, the cylinder heads, and whatever else it claims. It gives you a better improves gas mileage, or really just gives it the gas mileage the car's supposed to be getting in the first place. It just gets rid of all that gunk and stuff like that. So then I got my engine cleaning. Like my engine cleaning, all I do is I mean, if my engine's dirty, then I just go and clean it. Get some little cleaner from AutoZone, like a $3 bottle, clean it, and I use this is what I use to make it shine. I use also this in the car, Meguiar's Natural Shine. I put this under my hood to make all the black pieces and like the cover shine. So I'm gonna do a video on that. Also, wash and dry. But yeah, I'm gonna do a video on what kind of products I use also. And no, I'm not sponsored by nobody. But yeah, like the wax. When I do my waxes, so I can keep up with my wax, so I can do it like every 3 to 4 months or whatever it might have be. Greasing the belts. So this is really important because you want to grease your belts very often. You don't want to be replacing your belts nor replacing the water pump and all that other good stuff. You want your belt to last as long as possible. If that belt lasts long, then you don't have to change your water pump and all the pulleys and all that good stuff. And I got my brakes. I haven't changed my brakes yet. I have changed my brakes on the Dart. I still have my original ones. They're still in very good condition, but I changed my brakes when I first got the damn car because I wanted the crematic or whatever, crematic brakes or whatever you call it. Don't know how to say it. But other than that, my deep clean, like as in cleaning the interior of the car. I mean, like pretty much everything, like the cracks, you name it. But all that good stuff. Same thing with the charger, all of them in a row. Spark plugs, oil change, mileage, fuel check, gum out, engine cleaning, wax, grease belts, brakes, deep cleaning, all that. And also, when I do like other stuff, I just write it down, so I make note of it. So I did my coolant flush at 117 K miles. I did my Dart TFT swap. I haven't did a video on it. I need to do a video on that for y'all. The TFT swap, it's a much better screen, much better than the analog. The digital screen is way better. But I did that at the same time I changed the coolant. 107 K miles, and it had like 54,000 miles on it. I don't really care, but I had my charger radiator replaced in July. I think on my video I said in 2 months, but I replaced it in July of 18 because it started getting a little. I kept having to buy coolant, so I was like, oh hell no. But charger wheel stud replaced. I had to replace the wheel stud because I was trying to get my rim off and my lug nut got stuck, and they had to drill a hole through it and all that good stuff to get it out. So I replaced my stud. So rear differential fluid change, I changed it at 130 K miles. It actually makes a difference when you change it, so I definitely would recommend getting a change. Other than that, that's what I do. I write my stuff down, and then I date the. I date everything. So, well, I don't have to date that, but I should, but I didn't. All right, but that's pretty much it, though. Just want to give y'all a quick update. But like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down if you got something to say. It's your boy Josiah, so I'm out.
Jews, no, we not niggas. Food for thought, that's a hot dinner. If they still sinning, we can't rock with them. Saying we ain't gotta keep the laws. Straight confusion, yet a strong delusion. Everybody think they know it all. For you be a teacher, gotta be a student. Most